Cool. Now name it as where A.
Okay, here.
Before today, write where A space A equals to. And now press delete key.
Control delete.
No, only delete.
Only delete key. Okay.
Yep. Can you please? It's in project ticket, right? So can you please remove task table and instead of that write project tickets? Okay, remove this completely and write end it. ऐसे नहीं आएगा. It will not come up with like that. You can simply write end date. इसको हटाओ पूरे को. You can just remove this end date after. Yep, you can just remove this complete project wala part. You can also remove that project as well. Yep, you can write end date. Oh, okay. Okay. Can you please write max of end date?
Before.
Yep. No. Today minus max of end date. Cool. Yep. Not the ABS is not required. Yep. End date. Now can you please remove this bracket and write end date again? Remove it. Completely remove end date and write end date again.
Okay.
Remove it. Oh no. After max.
Yes.
Yep. Now type end date after max.
It's automatically taking ABS.
No, it's not possible. I guess you are clicking on that. Remove A. Now type end date. Yep, project ticket ended. Yep, you can take that. Okay, now close the bracket. Okay, now can you please click on again, shift enter. Now return. Type return. Correct. Shift enter. If A is greater than, if A is less than 0. No, you have write the wrong one. If you have write A is greater than 0, you have write A is less than 0. Then the condition which was there in that, then display the task name. So you need it in a card, or where do you want to plot that? Because card can take a single value. Card cannot have multiple values, and it is showing task
like
names. No, but there should be a tabular structure or something where we can show multiple tasks. Because suppose there are multiple tasks and card can hold only one value.
Yes.
Card, if there is a card visual, so there should be some tabular visual or what?
They didn't bother about the visual. We can take anything.
Okay. So if A is less than 0, comma, what was there in that task names? You can search for task name. Do we have that in the columns in the data?
Task table is there.
Don't we have I guess you need to check firstly what column do we need to consider, because like we cannot see which all set of columns are there. Like you are connecting with business and they can only let you know that which all columns we need to select, because like if we see about task,
task is a table name. There is an end date also.
But we cannot see task table in the data, no?
No, there is there. We have.
Can you please show?
This is a task table.
But then why don't you take end date from this task table?
Task table can I take here?
Now remove the previous. Yep, you can remove this. Okay. Now we have the task name as well in the task table or not?
Task name. Status name is a task name.
The status name is the task name. So you can just write status name.
Task ended and the project launch. If project launch date, they are asking.
No. This is the one which we have created. Don't worry. This is A. Like we have just taken it in A. So you can simply write status name. Yep. Why it is not pulling? Okay. You can write. Wait. Like we need to create a column instead of a measure. Can you please copy it again? Can you please copy this complete whatever we and instead of measure we need to create a column. Can you please create a column over there
Sure.
in the same table in the task table? You can do so.
Okay. Yes, I have.
You are making sense, but Saddam, I need 5-10 minute more time to connect because I have just joined it via my phone only. So if you want
Okay,
me to
okay, no
connect,
problem. No problem, Nishan. Will take your own time. We just wanted to clear that we can do this task, right?
yeah, we can do. It's not a big deal. Like we can just do this.
Okay, okay. So we can talk about hardly how much time it will take. I too don't know. Like the project is newly came. The one who was there in a leave, he's in a leave and he handed